found peace in your eyes. I've been quiet for too long.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the brand new lowering springs from BMW e63. I bought this very cheap. It was on discount. I bought it from Denmark, some site from a website from Denmark. I'm gonna post the link in a video description. So let me just open this. It's brand new. I'm gonna open this package. You'll be able to see what do we have inside. As you can see here, we have some package. Now I'm gonna open this so we can see what do we have inside. This is a set of 4. So here we have one. They are pretty heavy. As you can see, brand new. This is the code for the spring, Lowtec M. The middle ones are the ones that go in the back wheel. And yeah, that's the one that goes as well in the front part. Yeah, so when I test it out, I'm gonna also post the video before installation, how the car looks, and I'm gonna post it after this is installed. And then I'm gonna give you update on the ride quality. Basically, very good price. Only 100 euros plus it was delivery, but it can vary depending on your country. To my country it was 22 euros delivery, but in your country it can be different. Okay guys, thank you for watching video. Subscribe to my channel and I'm gonna post updates.